Hello friends, I'm Shruti and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video will discuss with you some of the political topics and hint out you some of the things that is beyond our knowledge also. And in this political topic we have a broad outlook and analytical wisdom towards the politics of the Indian government as well as what has been going and continuing in our country for a last 2 decades. So let's continue this topic, and for the first time, we have that topic in our mind that has never been discussed. But I think that topic will be fuel your mind and intellect rather than the wisdom of the common people. But for all of us to understand this topic, we have to be wise enough to grasp what I am going to speak and the reason behind all that inconvenience that is seen in this present era will be gradually manifested through my writing and speaking capacity. So, in the vast political era of India, and there is a dashing intellect and the wisdom that has been covered the long area and geographical scrappage of our country, and also the politics that has affected the various moral ethos and the strong foundation of the Indian government as well as politics. So, the long vast era that has created politics and antagonism as well as paradoxical things that has made the country to be pulled through the gravel of the time, and it has also created such kind of inconvenience and recognition for our country throughout the world that is only the democratic form of government, and the Constitution Assembly of India adopted the democratic form of government, and so many various schemes are implemented under this situation and under these circumstances also so many people and political leaders and political allies also participated in doing that what India had required for a long ago. But actually, what we want to speak is the political panoramic picture and the political debate, political discussion, as well as the political scenario that has covered the wide geographical era, as well as the political extents to which we have been gradually accustomed. And you know, the farmers are protesting against the farm bill of government that has been initiated by the Modi government, and the annulment made by the Modi government that has captured the plight of farmers. Actually, it is not lessening their plight. Actually, it is worsening their plight from my own point of view with my own perception. And in the upcoming election that is going to be held, I think Modi government is sure to lose its capability and power within the various consecutive region, and the draconian effect and the sophomore things and the so more things that has come under the grief of this government as dancing like a puppet in the hand of the government, where there is muscle power and felt with respect to the historical background, with no roots and political fragmentism, there is no support of people that can be given to a particular government. Likewise, in the case of Modi government, there are so many things have been discussed, and so many intellectuals and the political parties have been devouring from supporting Modi government and also its work and activities. But in this situation, the very climax that I have got is the vast political topic, and this political topic's roots are spread throughout our country. But what has been taught to the students and children as well as the school going children have also fruitless and rootless. And one thing I can proclaim with the best assertion of my ability that the students who are going to school they should read another books besides their story books or textbooks. That's why they will be get accustomed to the world affair and the world situation as well the political scenario of our country in the last 2 or 3 decades, and they should remember and analyze the every topic that they may can collect from the local newspaper, the Samaj or the Dharitra, or they have any opportunity, or may it be possible they can have any collection from the English newspaper. That's why they will be able to understand the basic topic of politics and the political scenario that has affected our country. But one thing I say, the country which has been free from antagonism and dogmatic attitude as well as the communalism is a free country, and the true democratic institution can be based on this foundation which has made the strong pillar to our country. But the same thing that is repeated in the history, the communalism, anti-violence things and the character things that has affected our country, that has also made our country to come into the prison or in the dungeon of darkness and ignorance, and the illiteracy state of our illiterate rate and the state of our country has affected our globalization and economy. That's why our country has been very long here, very weak and fragile country, and has been counted through the innumerable provisions of our country. And also the same faction that I may say is the proclamation against the one government. You can see that in the newspaper in the recently there is a story that has appeared to the front page of the newspaper that the local MLA son that has moved down the farmers those who are protesting against the bill. And in this section or scenario, you can see that the farmers are sleeping and the car is suddenly moving them down. It is not illegal, it is not illegitimate, but still with the fact that I have almost I can assert that new things should be done in order to inspire the people and to let the government in its good way. But until the present government is abolished, there will be no chance towards the development of people in educationally and politically and ethically in so many sectors. Basically, economically, those people who are under the poverty line, below poverty line, they will suffer much and their plight cannot be seen to the politician's eyes because they have been selfish and self oriented. And one thing I say that as the citizen of India, we have to uphold the dignity of our country, respect the rules and regulations and the norms that is enshrined in our constitution, also and to the people. Those who are laboring here, I have a deep respect for them from the core of my heart. So thank you very much for watching my video for a long time and listening to me. Thank you very much.